In today's video, I'll show you how to use voice cloning in ElevenLabs and turn a voice sample to a realistic AI-generated voice. If you're new to voice cloning, don't worry. The process is easier than it might seem, and once everything is set up, you'll be able to generate speech using the cloned voice in just a few clicks. Start by signing in to your ElevenLabs account and opening the voice section of the platform. This is where you can create and manage custom voices. If you haven't already created a cloned voice, you'll first need to upload a clear voice recording and complete the voice cloning process. Once the cloned voice is ready, it will appear in your voice library. Next, go to the text-to-speech area. Here, you'll see a list of available voices. Select the cloned voice you want to use. Now enter the text you would like the AI to read. You can type directly into the editor or paste text from a document, script, or article. After adding your text, click the Generate button. ElevenLabs will process the content and create an audio version using the cloned voice. Once the audio is generated, listen to the result carefully. If you'd like the speech to sound more natural, you can adjust your text, add punctuation, or experiment with different settings before generating the audio again. When you're satisfied with the output, download the audio file and use it in your videos, presentations, podcasts, or other projects. The more high-quality voice samples you provide during the cloning process, the better and more accurate the cloned voice is likely to sound. And that's how you use voice cloning in ElevenLabs. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.